We're doing a new machine reveal underneath this blanket, obviously. And obviously everything's been moved over. Seems here now. Becco's still there, Jumay's still there. Classics is here. XL1600's tub is there. So we're really at the 1 minute mark. Just a gap between here. I always do that now so I can access the taps which are here. See? So, 3, 2, 1. There we go. This is the new machine. Boom. It's a bit scratched there, but I can get pink stuff on that. So, hot point WMA 58P, and in Great Britain. It's 6 kg, 1400 spin. Yeah, it's got the main dial, spin dial, which is like 1400. You got 12,000, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 off. And then we've got a temperature dial now, one like this one over here, and it has a spin dial. So you can choose what temperature you want now. 90, 95. If I do a 90, I'll probably do 95. I don't think I'll actually just do 90. That's been pointless. Time saver, extra rinse, just hold, reduce creases, video load. And then as you can see on this one, we've got the different label because this one has the older label because it actually thinks it's just like imprinted onto the drawer. This one has the also cushioning underneath. You'll be able to see that. There's like some cushion there, foam. See, this one doesn't have the little flat thing like the WMA does. This drawer isn't stained either, so I can actually. That's what we're about trying to constantly get stains out of it. It's got the thing. I've noticed though, it does just pull out the XL1600 used to do. But don't matter. Now this machine is really dirty, just to let you know. So it needs. I need to bleach it first a little bit. As you can see, it's pretty grim in there. It smells nice in there to be honest, but it is really grim. It does work. I have tested it on a spin and drain, and it does start up and it does spin. But I ain't tested it with water yet, and I don't know if the heater works. So hopefully the heater and the heater works and it doesn't leak. But yeah, as you can see, no bearing noises. That noise you can hear is normal for these machines, these 58s. That's just a classic noise they make, but there's no bearing noise in these. This one. Shocks are kind of knackered, but I need to get some deep bleach on this door seal. There's a scratch there on the door glass, obviously, because it wouldn't be a WMA if it had a scratch. And there's one on that side as well. There ain't too many though, which is good. Let's see. Not as many as this one was, which is there. And that bloody keeps popping up there. I don't know what it is on that one, but this will clear up over time because this one had that kind of mold, but as you can see it's all gone there just over time from usage. There's a lot of plastic dip in there because it's a 6 kg drum, which is actually slightly bigger than that one I've actually noticed. It definitely is bigger. But yeah, we've got a few wash races we can do now against our points. So obviously with this one there as well, that one, because it's got a temperature list here, I could only do, so if we have colour fast cottons, I could only do a 40 on that. I couldn't do any other temperatures because it has a spin on. This one now, obviously it has it listed there, but these are the max temperatures these cycles will allow to go up to. So white cotton's 95 will allow for 20 to 95. and then full of fast cottons will allow 20 to 60, and then on a 40 to 20. 20 to 40 or something. And then obviously I was saying to program E, you can allow 1400 spin, and then obviously F will say be about 1000 max. And then obviously this one has the stop change program, which you just turn to that and press start and it'll cancel it. This one has slow spin, fast spin, rinse and spin, which is more common sense than this one over here, because this one has slow spin, fast spin, rinse, slow, fast, spin fast. These also have 2 different dials as well, you see. More like chunkier than this one's like thinner. It's pretty interesting, there's a few differences on them. This is the new machine. I'm gonna get it all cleaned up after breakfast, and then yeah, I'll do a test mate, it's washing it, see how it goes, and then we'll get some washing in it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this revealment videos, and I'll see you in the next one.